Hi everyone, what's up? So today I'm going to do Jiraya. Jiraya the Brave. Jiraya Sensei. So, portrait as usual. Standard Jiraya, not Sage mode. I will do the Sage mode one with his frog face and stuff at some point. But we'll start with his eye. So, the eye on the right hand side. So, middle's just here. Come up a little bit. Right eye's just here. So start with line up like this, line across, and then down at the end. Semicircle then for his iris. Just here. And then what I can see from the picture, I think they're just black colored in with a shine. Boom. Bottom eyelid just comes in underneath that and then comes up and touches the corner. And then we have his eyebrow, so a line just there, comes up and across real thin at the end. It's just about the same distance and length as his eye, just there. And then you can just do a little section just there that you can colour in grey or leave white, of course, if it's just going to be a pencil sketch or an ink drawing. He has just lines for his nose, just here, one. And then we'll come over and do the other eye. So about another eye distance. So from about here, measure. Human eye, distance between his eyes is another eye, usually. In some mangas and animes it's different. Naruto is fairly good with proportions on the face. So top eyelid again, same thing. Comes up, comes across, and then comes down a little bit like that. Slightly different to this one, but don't beat yourself up. And then he has his iris just under there, same as this one, semicircle with a shine. And then just bottom eyelid comes across just like that. So see the way they're slightly different from one another, but if you get them in the right place and they're about the same size, it still looks fine. So eyebrow, same as this one, more or less. Go up and then comes down here. And then we just put a section in that we can colour grey or not. His nose lines, one there. And then he has a line for the middle of his nose. So it comes down, the bridge of his nose comes down like this, and it has just a wart just there. And then under that, two nostrils like this. So he's a real big smile. So it's kind of a straight line just with curves at the end. So curve, straight, and then curve at the end. And he has just lines for his cheeks just here. And then a line for his bottom lip. If I go too fast, guys, just slow it down. Then of course he has those two stripes that come down from the bottom of his eyes to his jaw. So if we add his chin first, he's a real big chin and strong jaw. So it comes up to his hair, just on both sides. Like this. And these meet hair just here. So like lines for hair that come down. He's real big hair. And then those lines from his eyes, so coming down, and they're red in the anime, so one there, and then kind of gets thinner as it goes down. something like that, and then red inside, or you could color it black if you were leaving it manga style. Another one comes down here, and then another one comes down here. So he has hair framing in his face. So it's like, so starting here, you have a little spike, comes up all the way to his headband on both sides. There's a spike, and then there's another spike here. So spiking up towards the two horns that are on his headband. He's an unusual headband, Jiraya. So we have these two horns that stick out from the top of it. 1, 2, and then join them together across here. And then the bottom that comes across his eyebrows, just here, curves down, comes back up around his eyebrows, just there. And then it has a red rim, from what I can see, follows that shape again, up and around, just there. And then he has some writing on it. I'm not actually sure what it means. I'm sure someone could tell me. So he has, so the symbol is, so it has straight line. So I'm just going to make this thicker. I'll draw it out first. So a line down, and there's a line this way, and then it's kind of a box around it, like that, and with a line across here. And then you just make these, once you have the shape in, you just make the lines thicker. So you just sort of increase the weight, kind of round on top. Just making them thicker. And then he has 3 kind of splashes or raindrops coming off it. 1, 2, 3. And then there's bolts keeping the metal part onto the fabric underneath, like so. Now we can do the rest of his hair. So real big hair. So spikes down, real long one, spikes up, spikes down, real long one, spikes up, and then keep going. So there is 1 spike, there, keep spiking up, spike this way, spike that way, and then we do the same over here, more or less. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. Spike, spike, real pointy, getting them sort of the same sort of size on both sides, up to about there. Then his shoulders come down from here, like that. And then the rest of his hair spikes all around to the middle of his head up here. So he's got like to here 2 spikes come out. So we'll do that. I'll do them first. 1, 2. Okay, and then the rest spike all down behind his shoulder. So we'll do which side? This side first. Spike. Spike that way. Spike that way. So they go around and then they come down to here. Starting to go down now. Coming down further, longer as it goes down. They get longer as we go further down. And then behind his shoulder. Same over here. Comes down behind his shoulder, so spike. Spiking around, just like here. And then it'll start to go down. Real big hair. So his neck muscles just here, just lines for his neck, and then collar of his t-shirt just here, and there's a rim of that, so another line follows that line just there, and then his jacket closes in this way, so we go that way and down this way. And then he has a different color red just here, so we'll separate that just with a line down there. So that's red, that's green, and then he has those cross lines that the shinobi wear. So this direction. Boom, boom. And then you'll go the other direction. One. And maybe you could see another little bit of it here. And let's see, that is the basic idea. Jiraya Sensei. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.